Friends, welcome to tutorial is. In this video, uh, I will show you how to create categories in Magento. If you see in the home page, these are the categories. So apart from these, if you want to create some other categories, so how that's possible. Now what I will do, for that you need to click on this catalog and then you can see categories. So while installing this Magento, I had selected simple data installation. That is why already there are categories. But in case you have not selected the simple data, in that case, first you need to create a root category. Okay, add root category. So as soon as you add root category, then default category will be added. Okay, so since it's already added, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another category. So once you add root category, there is no need of adding another category, another root category. So root category is added at one time. Okay, so now this time I'm going to add subcategory. So click on this. So that should be selected. That means what, I'm going to add subcategory under default category. So now I will click on this subcategory. Now I will name it as accessories. Okay, so now inside content I can upload some images maybe here. Okay, inside this I'm going just to take this, and then here I will write something. This is uh, good for viewing 3D pictures, like this. And then okay, so first let's add it, and here there is an option enable category and include into the menu. If you include into the menu, then it will come into the menu. In case suppose there are 100 categories, it's not possible to include all the categories inside this menu, so you can exclude from here. But for the time being, let's keep it as it is, and now let's click on save. So now it's added. Now if you refresh, you can see the category has been successfully added. Since there is no any product, so this is the category image we have just added. Currently there is no any product, that's why it doesn't show any product inside this. So here if you just disable this from menu and refresh it, then you can see this category exists, but it has been removed from the menu. Also, if I disable this category, this category exists, but for some reason if you want to disable, then it's also possible to disable this. So just I disable the category and save it, then this has been disabled. And also if you disable from here and even you keep it included into menu, so it will not show you into the menu because it's already disabled. That is why. So refresh, then so if you disable, then it will be excluded from menu as well. Now it's the content. You have already seen how to upload images, and apart from that you can also select category, upload image from here, and then add CMS block. So which kind of block do you want to add here? I will discuss more about what is CMS block in further videos, so let's keep it as it is. Then we will discuss that later, that what is CMS block and how you can add CMS block and also widget, etc. Now there is uh, display settings. So display mode, what it will show, it will show products only. Then it will show products only. If you want to show static block only or static block with product board, then you can select from here. So static block can be created from here. So the content, then there is these are the blocks you can create. I will show you that later how to create that. For the time being, let's keep it products only, and then uh, available product listing sort by. Okay, these. So the sort by, for example, if I click on tops, then you can see these are the sort by options. So this is the thing, it's asked that do you want to keep all these or only two. For example, if you don't want to show position only the product name and price for this particular category, then product name and price will be showing here in sort by drop down option. So that's the thing, it's been given. Also it says that what will be the first. So position, if you see here it is displaying position. So in case while loading you want to show maybe price first, in that case you can select here which one to show first. If I select here price, in that case it will show price. Then there is option layered navigation price step. That means this is the layered navigation, this option. In the left side the filtering is called layered navigation. So it says that the default price will be dollar or what. So the default price here is, so it says what will be the price, the default price from here. So suppose I want to start the default price from 10 USD, then you can provide here, or by default simply you can use config. So layered navigation, it will take from system defined layered navigation. So let's keep it 10. And then search engine optimization. So this is URL key. That means when we click on, let's save it first. Okay, so this is, need to enable this. Right, now you can see it's enable including to the menu. Okay, needs to clear the cache. Sometimes because of cache it doesn't show. Yes, after refreshing you can see it is displaying here tax accessories. And yes, what I wanted to show you is this URL. Okay, so if you want to change it, then you can change from here. Your in meta title, all kinds of like this. Okay, and meta keywords, etc. Comma separated you will provide, and then same thing I'm just going to keep in this one also. So if I save, so this is Magento is also search engine optimization friendly, SEO friendly. You don't have to write any code for that, it's already provided here. So if you refresh, then currently it's showing this, then you can all kinds of accessories are available, right? So I just made changes from here, and you can see it is displaying here. Not only that, if you view source, then you can see This is title and description. In description also, this is for SEO purpose. And meta keywords, the keywords what I put here, you can see it is displaying here. So you can see that configuring the SEO in Magento is really very easy. And it is displaying that under this category which are the products. So currently, since we don't have any product, that is why it is not displaying anything from anything here. Also, there is design. Okay, so if you want to change theme, suppose we have uh, 2 3 themes. So particular for this theme, Magento is really very scalable, and it is really uh, it provides a lot of features. So suppose you have 2 or 3 themes, and particularly for this category you want to use another theme. In that case, you can select get the theme from here. And also you can select the layout. It will be 3 columns, 2 columns, or 1 column. So you can decide from here that what will be the layout for particular this category. Okay, and also if you select here, in that case what will happen, this layout, this theme as well as layout will be applicable to all the products of this category. And not only this, you can define from here that this design layout will be from this date to this date, and after this it will revert back to the main theme and layout. So you can see how flexible it has been provided here, that you can select that this design will be there. For example, there is festival, right? There is festival season, and in that festival season I want to display different theme. But after the festival is finished, then it should revert back to the main theme. So it is possible automatically, it can be done into this Magento category feature. Guys, now click on save. And one more thing, in Magento it's very flexible here. If you want to, suppose this accessory you want to keep inside this gear, okay, then it's very easy to do that. So that gear, okay, so what I'll do, you can just drag and drop. Okay, now it asks you for confirmation, say do you want to take it to the accessories inside the gear. So you can see this accessory successfully got moved inside the gear. Now you save, and then if you check inside from outside, then you can see it came into this category. So moving the category from one category to another category or inside category, it's very easy, very easy in Magento. So guys, this way you can create category and subcategory in Magento. And yes, we were discussing about this design thing. Here I have selected 2 columns with right one, right? So if you check here, then I've selected 2 columns with right one. Then if you click on this category, this accessories, then you can see this is right path, and this is completely 2 columns. So and this is applicable for this category only. But if you click on watch, then this is 1 column, right? So you can see you can configure the complete design based on particular category also. So hope, and now if I make it 1 column, then it's also possible. So just I'm going to like this, and you can see this is inside 1 column. So guys, hope you like this video and understand that how to create category and also configure different parts of this category. So hope you understand, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Still, if you have not subscribed, and also please press bell button so that when I upload the video, it will reach to you through notification. So thank you for watching, and in the next video we will be working on how to add products. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.